How to join David Sharp Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video I'm going to show you how to join Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program as an affiliate so you can start promoting Legendary Marketer products as an affiliate, guys. Right, guys? But guys, before telling this, guys, I want to tell you that, guys, if you are new to this affiliate marketing industry, or you have started your affiliate marketing business, right, and somewhere you are struggling, then guys, down below I have put a link of short survey where I have asked you what's your number one problem that is holding you back in your affiliate marketing business, right? So if you give the answer, so based on your answer, I will be in a better position to help you. I will be in a better position to guide you, guys, right? So just go and fill out this short survey and tell me what's your number one problem that is holding you back in your affiliate marketing business, right, guys? So guys, now without a delay, let I show you how you can join Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program so you can start promoting affiliate products, or you can say so you can start promoting Legendary Marketer products, guys, as an affiliate, right? So guys, here very first thing that you need to do, you need to go to a URL that is legendarymarketer.com/affiliate-application/. So this is the exact URL that you need to type in your browser so that you can go to there you can say affiliate application, right? So that you can go and apply to their affiliate program, guys. So guys, here one thing to note that they have two programs, guys. You can say they have two affiliate program. One is basic and second one is pro. Let I show you what I'm talking about so you can see that, guys. So right now I'm into their basic program, guys, right? But they have also, there is other program that is pro, right? Pro affiliate program, and for that you need to pay $29.95 per month, guys, right? So guys, here what you are going to get when you are basic or pro affiliate. So as you can see, right now I'm into their basic program, so I will be getting done for you sales funnel, right? If you are pro, then yes, you will also be getting their done for you sales funnel, done for you phone sales team, right? Manage and track your leads, manage and track your customers, advanced customized reporting tool, right? And till custom funnels, yes, in both case free and pro I will be getting you can say custom funnels, right? But guys, now here is the difference, guys. When I'm you can say their free affiliate, right, or you can say basic affiliate, then guys, commission will be changed, guys. I will be getting 5% to 30% commission, guys, when I'm you can say their basic affiliate, right? But when I am their pro affiliate, then yes, commission will be increased and I will be getting commission up to you can say 20% to 60% commission, guys. This is huge, guys, right? And now you can see what are other you can say benefits of becoming pro affiliate, guys. You can say integrate your own autoresponder, right? So yes, when I'm their pro affiliate, then yes, I can integrate my own autoresponder so that I can collect the email, so that I can build my email list. But when I'm their basic affiliate, I can't, guys, right? Earn additional stream of income, yes, guys. When I'm their basic affiliate, so I cannot earn additional streams of income, but I'm into their pro affiliate program, then yes, I will be able to earn additional streams of income, guys, right? And yes, again, this is the other thing. When I'm into their pro you can say pro affiliate program, then yes, I will be able to get private traffic sources, right? But when I'm into their basic, I'm not, right? Advanced affiliate training, yes, I will not be able to go through their advanced affiliate training when I'm to their basic program. But I'm their pro affiliate, then yes, I will be able to get their advanced affiliate, guys, right, guys? Okay, guys, now you know the difference between basic affiliate and pro affiliate, guys, right, guys? So guys, now here very important thing, guys, they have restricted to some of the countries, guys. Mean to say, if you come up in restricted countries, right, that they have mentioned, then guys you cannot apply to their affiliate program, guys, right? But guys, one thing I want to tell you that guys, as I'm from India, so yes, they now according to their new policy, they have also restricted India, right? Mean to say, if somebody is from India, so that very person cannot apply to their affiliate program. But I have been there, you can say, affiliate, and when it was launched initially, legendary marketer program, when it was launched, then at that time my country was not into their restricted country, right? So I'm their old affiliate. So yes, now as I'm from India, so yes, I can promote, guys, right? So you can say this is you can say fortunately, right, for me, that I can promote. But according to their new policy, somebody who comes into their restricted countries, they cannot apply to their affiliate program, right? Let us show you the what are those countries. Yes, you can see that. You can go and check out the blocked countries, guys. legendarymarketer.com/blocked hyphen countries slash. So yes, you can see Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, Angola, Armenia. So you can go and check it, guys. Don't worry, I will put the link down below, so you can go and check out your countries. If you come up in restricted countries or blocked countries, then yes, guys, so unfortunately you cannot apply to their affiliate program. But yes, if you can't, if you don't find your country, then yes, it's you can say congratulations, you can create your affiliate program, guys, or you can say you can apply to their affiliate program, guys. So you can see now, yeah, can you see that India? So according to their recent policy, right, somebody who is from India, they cannot apply to their affiliate program, guys, right? But I was fortunate enough, right, when it was launched, I applied to their, you can say, affiliate program, as well as I also bought their you can say 15-day challenge, guys, right? By the way, if you want to, like, if you are outside India, right, then yes, if you want to check out what this legendary marketer is all about, then yes, down below I am also putting the link so that you can go and check out, right, guys? So guys, now let I show you how you can apply. So guys, process will be the same, right? So like I will just show you that how you can apply to their affiliate program as basic affiliate, guys, but process will be the same, because I cannot you can say apply to their pro affiliate program, because right now I'm from India, so my country is blocked. But I will show you, don't worry. So I need to just put out my information, guys, right, and then create my account, right? The password field is required, unfortunately. Yeah, can you see that? Unfortunately, our affiliate program is not available in your location. For information, yes, you can go. So guys, very frankly, I cannot apply to their affiliate program because of my country, guys, right? I don't come into the country where they are allowing the people to apply to their affiliate program, guys. But guys, process is very simple, guys. All you need to just fill up you can say first name, last name, phone number, your email address, then password, guys, right? Then you need to fill up your address and your city, province, country name, and your zip code, guys, right? So that you can after that you can do, right? And after filling up your information, right, then yes, all you need to do is create my account. That's it, guys. This is very simple process, guys, right, guys? So guys, I hope so you have you can say you have known to that how to apply or how to join legendary marketer affiliate program, guys, right? So yeah, and just again, guys, process will be the same for you can say pro affiliate, right? Here again, guys, things will be the same. You need to just submit your first name, last name, phone number, email, then password, then your address, right, city, state, your country name. And yes guys, as you go and click on the button that says create my account, then yes guys, there will be option to you can say you will be taken to a checkout page. So there you need to fill out your credit card information so that you can be become their you can say pro affiliate guys, right guys? So guys, now you know that how to you can join David Sharp Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program guys, right? So that you can start promoting Legendary Marketer products guys, right guys? So guys, yeah, this is all about for today, right? And yes, do let me know if there is anything that you want to ask, right? Down below you can ask your question, right? I will be happy to answer your question, right? And yes guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, right? Down below there is a red button, go and hit that red button so that you can get some good training that I upload on you can say alternate day basis, right? So that if you want to know more about how to start your affiliate marketing business or how to do affiliate marketing business in a right way, then yes, go and subscribe to my channel. And yes, also hit that notification button, bell button, so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training guys that I upload on my channel, right? So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing business or how to do affiliate marketing business in a right way, then yes, go and subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell button guys, right guys? So thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.